What's up, guys? Today I'm doing an unboxing video for my brand new Vitamix. My parents were super generous and they gave us some new kitchen gadgets for Christmas, including this beautiful Vitamix from Costco. It's the E320 and it comes with these cool adapters, which I'm super excited to dive into because sometimes you don't want to just use this whole thing for something small. I currently do have a Vitamix right there, but it's kind of gotten old and I don't know, it's like something's up with it. So my mom's gonna like return it. She gave me that one too. Gotta love your mom who just gives you Vitamixes. But anyways, I figured today we would unbox this and I would make my first shake and give you my first impressions on my new Vitamix. Let's dive into this puppy. All right, I might have to put this box down. Oh no, I guess I can reach right here. So first thing I'm taking out is the plunger. This is for like,
clean your minds, guys.
this plunger is for just making sure you get all the fruit and stuff. I'm gonna take out this little bad boy. This is one of the smaller adapters that you use to make your shake. So we'll just go laying everything out over there. This is the shaker cup. So I guess you could just make your shake and go, which I'm excited about that. All right, now I got a box in my face. So the little lid for this, it looks like, cool. We got the main, hold on, I feel like everything is just like all up. My setup is off a little. Okay, I guess this is the, one of the, oh no, this is not the main one. This is a personal cup adapter. Adds the convenience of a personal blender to your full-size machine. All right, whatever that is, a personal cup. We got that. Right here is another shaker cup. It comes with two. Okay, cool. So you can make a shake for you and your honey and just have them already poured out. Or, oh my gosh, yes, I love that because sometimes I'll make a shake, but James and I do different flavors. And so he could just attach the adapter to his and make his, and I could make mine, and we don't have to worry about having like one chocolate blender thingy and one vanilla one. I'm excited about that. All right, let's take this apart. Looks like the manuals and stuff, some recipes, the warranty stuff. Whoa, this is the big mamma jamma. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here is the big blender adapter, or whatever, that part of the blender. Part. Ah, so cool. Let's unravel this baby. Cut right through. Oh, it's brand new. It's beautiful. Oh, look at that. You know you're an adult when this stuff makes you excited. So my brand new base to the blender. Wow, wow, wow. Let's make a shake. So first I just want to rinse it a little bit. You never want to just use something straight from the factory. So I'm just going to rinse these out and then put them to the test. I think this is going to be my favorite part, the little shaker cups, because I use my blender mostly to make shakes. That's my everyday use. So I'm just going to fill it up with the water that I need and then throw everything in here. I have my shaker cup already with the water, which super excited that I can just put my little cup up and then all of the ingredients. I'm doing a chocolate peanut butter collagen shake with all of my favorite ingredients. So I have about, I don't know, 10 ounces of water. I'm doing a frozen banana, a cup of cauliflower rice. That's gonna get a little packed in there. I hope. I don't know my liquid ratio and how this is all gonna blend up. Let's put our chocolate protein. Oh, this is looking very full. I think I put too much liquid. I think. Let's get our collagen in there. I use the Beachbody collagen. I'll have a link in the comments because this stuff dissolves. I love it. I use it every day. And I'm going to throw that in there. If you are over 30, you should be drinking collagen daily. That's the one that I use. And then I'm going to put some peanut butter, just a little teaspoon or so. And then you lick your finger. All right. Let's see if this will even blend up. I kind of feel like I have too much crap in here. So it looks like I grab this. I twist it onto the lid. Come on. And then I plug it in and blend my shake. Take this thing off. Okay, I guess you just do like this. You flip it. You unclip it. Like you just there you go. You just flip that over and then you only have to rinse that. Oh my gosh, I think I am a convert. It's perfect. It's delicious. I mean, I love my shake every day, but it blended perfectly. Not a trace of the cauliflower, of the banana. It's smooth. All right, guys, I am a happy girl. I'm going to be making so many recipes and sharing more with you. Let me know if you have this blender and what you love to make with it. I know with my old one, I would do like soups and grind up my own oat flour and almond flour, and I just love it so much. So I'll be making more recipes and sharing it with you guys. I'll see you. Bye.